10 to 12. Let me just make sure that the audio is working. Yep, okay. So this is days 10 to 12. We're going to study your audiences. So what we're going to do is find the most popular content on your influencers' websites. So we're going to see what's working for them. We're going to see what their audiences are really interested in. And we're going to use BuzzSumo. So if you go to buzzsumo.com, and if I type in something like aquarium, it's going to show me what content is performing really well on which websites. So here you can see Underground Aquarium Waterside has got almost 300,000 engagements on Facebook. And then we can go through this list, see the websites, and then we can take things a step further by clicking on the Influencers tab. Hopefully you can see that. And then searching for people who are influencers in that niche. So now you know really who you should be reaching out to. So you have your initial list, so we add more influencers to that list, and we find what content is working for your existing list of influencers and more influencers that we can continue to add to our list and really grow something very powerful here. We can study their YouTube channels, so we can go to YouTube. Let me show you. So here on YouTube, I am using a plugin called vidIQ. It's completely free. They have a premium version. I don't think that's absolutely necessary unless you're doing serious marketing with YouTube. But here it will show you, will give you an idea of the search volume and the competition score for certain keywords. You don't really have to pay too much attention to this because we're not really going for keyword research here. We don't really concern ourselves with the search volume for particular key phrases. All we're doing is looking for channels that are in our niche, potential influencers that we might want to work with. So mass aquariums, if we click on that,
it's 8:30
here. Oops, let me turn off the volume. There we can see that this channel has got 49,000 subscribers. Here we can see how they're doing over time, and here we can have a look at the actual videos. Now if we go to the videos tab, and then we go to sort by, let me move that over so you can see it, sort by most popular. Here we can see the most popular piece of content on this channel is how to set up a freshwater aquarium. And then the next one is how to keep crystal clear water in your fish tank. So you would go through the most popular videos for this particular influencer, and that will give you an idea of the type of content to create when it comes to that point. So this allows you to create content that you know will perform well, because we're going to leverage the law of reciprocation to your advantage later on. So what we do now is we build goodwill. So we create content for these influencers that we know is going to perform well, so their audience is going to love it. Therefore, they're going to look to you as well. They're going to be grateful to you for creating that content, for generating that good reaction, that positive reaction from their audience. This builds reciprocation, so they will want to repay that good deed later on. So in the content that you create, you can link to an opt-in form. Now, there are lots of free autoresponders available. One of the big hurdles that people face when they're starting from scratch is they think, well, they have to invest $50 a month or $100 a month in an autoresponder. You absolutely do not have to do that. Let me show you some options. Do read the terms of service of each email provider before you go ahead and sign up. Some don't want affiliate marketing. You as a product vendor at the moment are not so concerned with affiliate marketing, but that might be something you want to explore later on. So do read the terms of service. The first one I've got for you is mailerlite.com. So it gives you a limited number of subscribers for free, just like sendpulse.com. Again, that gives you a number of email subscribers for free. Very easy to sign up. Then we've got MailChimp. I would say stay away from MailChimp if you are planning to do affiliate marketing. I know from experience, it's widely known in the industry that these guys do not like affiliate marketers. That's fine. We've also got benchmarkemail.com. They will give you a set number of subscribers for free, I'm pretty sure. And then the last one I've got for you is Sendinblue, which a lot of my students start off using because it is a pretty decent platform to use. So that's sendinblue.com. So you don't have to pay to get started with email marketing. You can absolutely do it for free, and I recommend you do. So you link to your opt-in form with most email providers. They will give you a link directly to an opt-in form. So if you don't have a website yet, that's fine. You can link straight directly to that opt-in form. You just have to put some good copy on there too. So you've got two options. You can make a quick lead magnet that's relevant to the piece of content you're writing about, or you can just have a waiting list. So encourage people to sign up to be notified about your ebook launch. Either way is fine, but if you go for the lead magnet option, which is probably going to get you more conversions, just a checklist that summarizes the article that you've linked from is perfect. Don't waste time creating an in-depth lead magnet. Don't worry about it. Just give them a quick checklist, something that they can grab and obtain very quick and easy. That's going to help them understand the article that you've written, that they've just come from. So relevancy is key here. Next, as part of your days 10 to 12, what I want you to do during these days is study your audience. While we're studying audiences, I want you to make a list of similar ebooks in your niche. So you can go to the ClickBank Marketplace. If we click on Marketplace, here on the left hand side we've got loads of options, or we can search for products. If I search for aquarium, here we're going to get loads of digital books, ebooks about aquariums, loads of courses as well. So what I would do is go ahead and look at each one of these and make a note of it. So I would just grab the URLs, add them to a document, a list, and then that's good to go. We're going to come back to that later on. So that's days 10 to 12 done. Next, we're going to move on to day 13 to 15, where we're going to get your ebook done fast.
So, hope you like this video. Kindly share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.